TV.
Wadhi mago mag somo kama jagoro mongirore migao mar somo Belio Kipsang okoni piny owacho chakayanga chenro mag tima pedha mag jopuonjre mapok odhi e skunde mag sekondar mayande oluongi e skundego. Kipsang mane loso Mombasa okoni report mar giyango ni chiegni kwana tamalo 70 mag jopuonjre emano osechopo e skunde chieng' tich abich juma mokalo. Omiyo koro gidwani e thuolo mar jumani mondo mi kwana tamalo 100 mag jopuonjre obed ni osechopo e skunde mapacho kae. Olero ne piny owacho osechwalo omenda duto matawo chenro mag somo e skunde duto mag piny owacho ka bende ochiwo siem ne jopuonj makidek sieko gi paro mar dwaro choko omuom kuom jonyuol haoyaye.
As at Friday, we were doing slightly more than 70% across the country, and we had not totally consolidated the data as the end of the day on Friday, and I know some schools also opened up to admit students on Saturday and Sunday. I believe as I'm getting data and indications from the regions that I've gotten, including here, which was indicating 40% on Friday. When I saw it this morning, it was going towards 56%. Then it means there was some activity over the weekend. And I would want also to believe that across the country, we should be at more than 80%. And with this 1 week that we are now going to work with our colleagues in the Ministry of Interior and all of us, then by the end of the week, there is no reason why we should not have attained 100% transition. We are telling all our teachers, both in primary school, in our junior schools, and in our secondary schools, that they have to live within the framework of government guidelines as pertains to any payments